Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. So solve these two simultaneous equations. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so you should try and have a glance to see how you can kill off either the x or the y. If you well, it does in this case it doesn't matter which one you kill off. Let's try and kill off the x here. If we times this by 3 times the first equation here by 3, and then we times the bottom here by 5. Then the two x's here will be then the coefficient of the two x's would be the same. In which case we can kill one off. So for example, let's call this equation 1, equation 2. Let's times let's get 3 times equation 1. So this will be 15x 15x plus plus 12y, and remember we are timesing everything by 3. So 68 times 3 equals 4 here, carry the 2, 18, 20. So this will be 204, and then times equation 2 by 5. Okay, times equation 2 by 5. So well, 5 times equation 2. So remember we've got to times this by 5, this by 5, and this by 5. So so that would be 15x, and then this will be 45 y, and then well, and then 87 times 5 here would be 35, carry the 3, 40, 43. It would be 435. Okay, so now notice that the coefficient here is the same as the coefficient here. So we can just get one. We can just let's call this equation 3, equation 4. Let's just get equation 4, take away equation 3. We could get equation 3, take away equation 4, but then then that here would give us a negative answer. Oh, sorry. Hang on. And then that then would give us a negative answer. So so try to get well, let's get equation 4, take away equation 3. Okay, so hang on. So this will become. So remember, we are going to get this take away this. Okay, so now 15x take away 15x, that would be nothing. 45y take away 12y would be what? Would be 3 3. Okay, 33 will be 33y, and then this will be 1 3 2. Okay, so we are getting this taking away this. Okay, so this will give us this. Now divide both sides by 33. So y equals 2 3 1 over 33. Which well, jump to your calculator. Hang on. 2 3 1 divided by 33 equals 7. So y equals 7. Okay. So y equals 7. Now we can well, y equals 7. So we can put it into well, y equals 7 here. So let's put the 7 into this y here. So we've got 5 x plus plus this thing here, which will be 28, because 4 times 7 is 28, equals 68. And then take away 28 from both sides. So this here will be 40. This here would be 5x, and then divide both sides by 5. So that would be x equals 8. Okay, so y equals 7, x equals 8. Okay, so so now you can actually put these in. Well, we'll double check everything. So so get y, y, put it 7. Well, put the 7 into this y, put the 8 here into this x. So this here would be 40. This here would be 28. add the two together does indeed give you 68. Now put this 7 into this here. So this thing here will be 63. Now put the 8 here into this thing here, which will be 24. Now this plus this here does indeed equal 87. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Next one here. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so have a quick glance. You see, well, if I normally have a quick glance, you see, I can spot this straight away. So well, if you times this equation by 4, times everything by 4, then this will give you a minus 12. If you times everything by 4, this will give you a minus 12y. And then here you've got positive 12y, and then you can add the two together. So let's call this equation 1, equation 2. We are going to times, well, we're going to get equation 1 and then times everything by 4. Okay, so this will become equation 1 times 4. So this will become 24x minus 12y, and then this will be 12. Okay, and well, look at this. Let's call this equation 3 now. Well, if you get equation 3, sorry, if you get equation 2 plus equation 3, the two y's will cancel each other out. You see, if you look at this will cancel out with this when you add the two. So now inside your mind, add equation. So basically, equation 3 plus equation 2 would be 31x equals 62. Okay, because this plus this will give you 62. Yeah, and then this plus this here will give you 31. Now divide both sides by 31, so x equals 2. Okay, so now that we know x equals 2, let me clear this up. So x equals 2. So we know x equals 2. Now let's put this into here then. Just it doesn't matter whether you put it in here or you can put it in here. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to choose the easiest one. So this one put in here. This will be 12 here minus 3y equals 3. Now we just want to work out what y is. So add 3y to both sides. So this will be 3y here, and then take away 3. So that will be 9 equals 3y, and then divide both sides by 3. So y equals 3. Okay. And then if I were you, I would double check everything. Put the y and the x into both of these, and make sure they're both equals 3 and 50. Okay. All right. Last one here. Press pause and have a go. Okay. So here, have a quick glance to see how you can eliminate. Well, you can eliminate x or y, whichever is easiest. You see, I can just spot straight away that if I multiply this equation by 4, then this will give me a 4x here, and then I can use this. Well, I can eliminate the x anyway. Okay, so let's just multiply this equation here by 4. So that will give us 4x. Remember, we're timesing everything by 4, so we are timesing everything here by 4. So that will give us 4x minus 12y, and then equals times by 4. So this will be minus 60. Okay, because I know that minus 15 times 2 will give me minus 30. And then I'm going to double it to give me, well, anyway, times everything by 4, it will give me, well, it will give you this here. Okay, so now you could get this, take away this, or you could get this, take away this. Okay, I'm gonna get this, take away this, because I know that if I get 8, take away negative 60, it will give me a positive answer. But it doesn't. It's not that important. Just get one, take away the other. Okay. So well, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna call this equation 1, equation 2 here. So let's just get equation 1, take away equation 2. Okay, it doesn't matter that much. So now this, take away this here would give us nothing. Now this here, take away this here would, well, don't forget this, take away this. Well, it's a negative, so it's 5y, take away negative 12y, so that would be 17y. Okay, and then 8. Take away negative 60, so that will be 68. Okay, so now divide both sides by 17, so this will be, hang on, calculator, 68 divided by 17, divided by 17 equals 4. So y equals 4. And if I were you, I would put, oh, wait. So y equals 4. And then let's go back to here. So y equals 4. Y equals 4. So let's put this into let's put it into here then. So y equals 4. So this will be x minus 12 equals minus 15. Let's add 12 to both sides. So this here will be x minus 3. Okay, so here x here equals minus 3. And if I were you, I would put these in here and double check everything. Okay, so put minus 3 into here. So this here would be minus 12, and put the 4 into this here. This will be 20. So minus 12 plus 20 equals 8. Okay, now put this 4 into here. So this here will be minus 12, and then put the minus 3 into here. So minus 3 minus 12, so that would be minus 15. Okay, so yeah, so 4 is your answer, minus 3 is your answer.